guys, it's Monique and today we be playing a game. Like, subscribe and get the notification wherever. Let's get into this video. Let's play some Roblox. How about, are you all ready for Roblox? Because I am. Okay. I always forget where I put Roblox. Wait, did I delete Roblox? I don't know, let me go and see. I think I might deleted Roblox. Let's go. Okay. I did delete Roblox. Wow. Why would I delete Roblox? I don't even know. Hurry up, Roblox. I do not have your time until it. I actually didn't delete Roblox. I swear I did not delete Roblox. I guess it deleted on itself. Oh, Minecraft. No Minecraft. I actually don't like Minecraft. I kind of like it and I don't like it. Tell me in the comments if you like Minecraft or Roblox better. I like Roblox better. In the comments, tell me if you hate waiting. I do. But, you know, you always gotta actually wait 4 times. I didn't know they had this game. Tell me in the comments if you want me to play this game. It actually kind of looks cool. Okay, let's get on to Roblox. Okay, 3, 2, or 1, or whatever. I got no time to waste. Tell me if you don't like wasting, something like that. Come on. Okay guys, I'm on Roblox. And if you didn't know, I actually changed my hair and I changed mostly my hair, guys. Okay. This is the game we're gonna play. I actually like playing this game. It's like really comfortable and easy to play. Here we go. Oh yeah. Whatever. Whoa, that many people made it. That's amazing. Let's see if, guys, we can go all the way to that place over there. Oh, we didn't have enough time. Too bad. Where's the door? Where's the door? It's around here. Oh no, we're gonna die if we don't go now. Go up! Excuse me, there's like so many people going up right now. I don't even know where I'm going. You have to wait. So many people just died right now. They're gonna be incinerated. Well, actually, that was okay. Hey, this guy has the same top. Cool. Whoa! Bang! That was a little bit nice. I don't think we need to go up there. Okay. Oh, I hate when so many people go up and I'm trying to go up. It's just weird. No! I want to go up first. Jump. Jump. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, we didn't die. Well, a few bits and pieces fell on the floor, right? I think the house, it might be here. Oh no, I was not right. Oh no. It was not right. Excuse me, please. I need to go. Excuse me. I have played this game many times, so I know how to get up. You don't know how to play this game. Oh my god, now the respawn. I literally played this house game since a long time, and I hate when it just makes me have to go back inside the game. It's so mean, and I didn't even die. Go onto the tree. Okay, actually, people actually listen to me for once. Tell me, guys, if you hate people, you get mad for some reason and you just don't like it. I always get that feeling when I'm mad. That makes me sad. Mad and sad rhymes, mad and sad. You dare me to fall in here. Aye! How do I get up? Okay, I'm stuck. Hey, no one stand on my head so they can get up. Tell me that feeling when you just hate when people do that to you. I will stand on one of your heads right now. Yeah, you won't do it. Hey, Peppa Pig. Don't stand on my head ever again, or you're gonna regret that. And I made it. Whoa, we got the same one again. Man, stand on my head, or I'm gonna stand on theirs. Sometimes you get mad for no reason. I don't know what I'm singing. I like your hair, red golden lock. Don't stand on my head. What is wrong with Roblox? It's glitching. Hey, red Goldilocks hair. Do not stand on me. I'll stand on your face next time. We can't get up there. Oh no, we're gonna die if we don't hurry up. I think we have to go to this one. Everybody's going up that one, so we'll this one. I don't know. Does this look like 50 years ago? Let me just jump on his head for a second. 10 years old and you just don't want to do anything, literally. Tell me in the comments what if you're 10 years old or 13, or 14 or 15. Tell me what age you are. Why is there so many people going up this? We're all gonna die if you don't move. And maybe without even seeing anything. Wow. I was like, I'm not done today. Anyway, guys, we're gonna do one more and then I'm gonna have to leave you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe and comment all of the things you hear in the video. And let's see, guys, if you can remember what I said in all the videos I've been saying. And there's also a trick. Watch this video over and again until you can see a guy wearing a pig outfit and clothes. Tell me that. Yeah, bye. Okay, bye guys. Like and subscribe. Tell me if you saw a pig guy or not.